How to offer clients finance on the Faces app. On the app navigation, click Finance. On the finance screen, you will find an overview of the interest and borrowing limits. Click Send to Client. You can send it to an existing client or manually enter the details of a new client. Once sent, the client will receive an email which looks like this. They must click on the link in the email to take them to the finance page. Here they can select the amount they wish to borrow and the payment plan. The calculator will show them the monthly repayment amount. Then they fill out the required information, which checks to see if they are eligible for finance. Once filled out, the client clicks Check My Eligibility. It will tell the client immediately if they are eligible for finance. If eligible, they can immediately receive the funds and pay you directly for their treatments. Hope that helps.